Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at partnerships and, in particular, the impact of whether to bid slam or not with your partner. This requires a lot of partnership cooperation and understanding. And people say, how do I know whether to bid a slam? Well, it's when you obviously have plenty of points and one partner, after certain bidding, which is strong bidding, one partner thinks, well, I'd like to go beyond game. How will we do it? So often, particularly when you're using Blackwood, either ordinary Blackwood or keycard Blackwood, the person who chooses to go beyond game and ask for no trumps, they are the captain, and their partner is just the robot. They just answer the questions. So the captain asks for no trumps, the partner says, I've got X number of aces. And then the captain makes a decision as to whether to go to slam or whether they need more information, in which case they would then ask for kings. So it's always with the partnership, one person's in charge and the other person is simply answering. You must always let the person in charge make the decisions too. It's a little bit different when you're using Q bidding, which can be combined with Blackwood when you both think you've got hands that are too strong just to stop in game. Q bidding is more of a cooperative process. With Q bidding, after you know that you have enough points for more than game, one person says, I've got this. The other person says, well, I've got this. And you keep discussing where you've got your controls. So the big thing for partnerships when you're thinking about going to slam is that you can't bid 6 if you find out you're missing 2 controls. So it's fraught with danger to just guess slams. Use Q bidding and Blackwood to test, just to make sure that you have the controls you need to bid either a small slam or a grand slam. So have a look at the hand I've given you and see how you go. Have a great week, everyone. 8 points, no spade fit, respond 1 no trump. Partner shows a second suit of diamonds. So there'll be at least 5 spades and 4 diamonds. This is a hand where you make what's called false preference, and you would take partner back to spades because it's better to play a 5-2 fit than a possible 4-3 fit in diamonds. So partner will know you don't have 3 spades because you didn't raise spades in the first place. We have 1 heart loser, 1 spade loser, 1 club loser and 1 diamond loser. So things are looking pretty good. Do we have 8 tricks? Let's say we've got 4 spade winners, 1 heart is 5, 1 club is 6, and we will promote diamonds to make the contract. No reason not to immediately draw trumps and keep drawing them until they take their ace and now their heart winner. They're trumping, but we over trump. And now the Queen of Spades will get rid of the last trump. And our diamonds are good. So we made 8 tricks. we didn't want to be in any more than two spades, and our partnership understood that when we took partner back to two spades, it was called false preference.